What happens if the man lose the job?
It depends on the relationship. If you're in a relationship for, say, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, and you know you love the man, in a serious, strong relationship, then I'm going to stay with you and I'm going to help you find a job. I'll fill out applications with you if I have to. But I'm not going to sit there for 6 months, a year, and you sit down there playing your lazy ass and now I make no money. No, baby, love me not mind you.
No, seriously, no, she's right. If it's a year situation, but no woman and no man is going to stay around with their partner that it was with in a job situation for a year and wait for that time to go on. They thinking the first time the bill is coming next month. If he's not getting a job within the next 3 weeks to pay that bill, there's an opportunity for somebody else to come in and pay the bill and take away the situation from him just in that small space. It's not even about a year. A year, you definitely need to get your stuff together.
Say you have your woman, right? So you're not at work and she's not really providing anything for you, right? And you see somebody like me pull up in like a Benz or a Beamer or a Porsche now. Would you come and try to talk to me to help benefit your situation?
Me would I do it. Simple. Straight like that.
Yeah. I not sell my soul for no money. Because you have some little boy out of yard right now and I sell them soul and I take them kind of sitting there for money. As I say, I'm not in them sitting there.
First of all, I look on the porch and I say, yo, one of them day, I forgot own one of them things. I not ever look on you. You see what I say? I porch me, I look on and I say, yo, the car bad. You see what I say?
First of all, I don't go on street and look, man.
No, but suppose them come and look you and say, baby, yo.
First of all, it's not that easy to just get up and talk to me because I don't know if it's your car. Like, what do you mean just get up and come talk to me? No.
You're so smart.
No.
You're so smart.
No, you can't come talk to me, no. First of all, all me look on it is, if you sim up on the street, how I look at it is this. You sim up on the street I walk, and you look me, that means say you could have looked the girl who walk in front of me, you could have looked the girl behind me, you could have looked the girl beside me. I don't know where you just do 5 minutes before you come look me. No, I wouldn't do it.
The same thing.
I wouldn't do it.
But you say you're a go-getter. You say you're a go-getter, so you got to get that money. You see,
yeah, but
money.
Go-getting. Wait, hold on. Go-getting or selling yourself? Because go-getting and selling yourself is two different things. Go-getting means I make my own money, I spend it and buy my own things. No man can do for me what I can do for myself. That is go-getting. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yeah. So if I see a guy. If I see a guy in a porch and he comes and talks to me, no, enough of that going in the Bronx and the man them drive past you in the Chris's cars and you don't know who it could be his dad's car.
Even rent a car, right?
Like like what are you jumping up for? Like that's what I'm saying.
Hold on, babe.
Them still fall fit, so it don't even matter who own the car. You understand me? Because them still them are still the illusion alone is setting at their mind. Say big money there once them see the car, them see a dollar sign. And their man right now push that, them drive a Honda right now. And them see the Porsche sign and they don't even know the car is pretty. So because they not care about the people them who own it.
But there would be people that would take up on that offer.
Definitely, automatically them will take it up because say, yo, car nice, just because the car nice. Pretty car, yeah, they call it. You see?
As I said, you're not working right now. Your boyfriend's not really doing anything. And, a guy come with a Chris car, a Bentley or Porsche or whatever and try to talk to you. Would you cheat on your boyfriend for this guy now? Would you?
No. I mean, yeah, because no, if you have a man and, everything else is good, maybe all right, nothing not go on film right now or whatever, but you can't just jump on something just because him just roll up on you like this. You understand? Yeah. I know females that do that. It's one car here in the Bronx that bought 5, 6, 10 man drive and all of them bag females in this one car. Right. And I know because me drive the car too. You understand? I'm a fool man with the car. You understand? Yeah. Just as how females can get fooled by the car, the man them get fooled by the car too.
I don't talk to men that them roll up on a drive next to me in a Chris car. No. Sorry, it's not that easy to talk to me. I would go months without even saying hi to you, even if I know you. And you try to look me. No. Anyway.
Okay, let me change it.
I don't care. But there are some women that as soon as them see the Chris car, oh, Lisa, say, look on the man over there, so I go chat to him, because him look like him have money. You don't know where the money I come from. My opinion is I wouldn't do it, but I know a lot of females do it.
Okay.
No, the reason why I'm not materialistic. Okay. The thing is, like, people materialistic, they're in prison. Okay. Maybe not physically, but mentally and spiritually.
Yeah.
You see? So anything that I get, I'd rather work for it knowing that I earned it. Yeah. Anything that hand out that you get, yeah. It has no foundation, has no legs to stand on.
No, Nikki. Nikki, Times is hard. You have your man, times is hard. You know, make ends meet. And you meet a man in a nice Porsche or Bentley. And him try to talk to you. Would you talk to him to benefit your situation?
Well, I know when I have a what me I get. Well, if him have a porch and him can give me something for me and my man live comfortable, why not? We take him and go spend it for me and my man and see if it can work. Why not? What should I drive? A Lamborghini my drive? I mean, we can settle for a Camry.
So, Nikki, why would some people like decline an offer like that?
I don't know about them, but me personally, me not decline no offer. As long as it look good, hey, listen, because you're not getting nothing in return. You work for you, I work for me, I work for you. So who get it first? Who get what I'm going to reach for first? And me sure say me I get for me first, because you not get nothing.
DJ Bugs, where are you based?
Right now in Fun City, Queens, with all means. A Bronx make me, but no other borough can take me. But I'm also a fan belly of the Irish Jam, DJ Ryan 93.5 straight.
Okay, so what new projects are you working on? Any mixtapes or?
Always, but you know we're busy with ups and downs. But me always have something new that come out on the market, always have new tune, always lyrical inclined.
Okay. What do you feel the industry is going with the whole DJ market?
Well, right now it's a ups and downs with the bleach and the black and the brown and all these things. So it kind of roller coaster thing. You have to just work with the flow and catch with it and all these things and try to get a hit tune out there on the market because it's very controversial right now. Well, I'm a drama DJ, you know, but my main hobby is to compete against other artists to see, you know, musical skill. I like that because from back in the days, Ninja Man is my icon. That's the artist that I really watch. But, you know, I'm a drama DJ that make people laugh and all these things. But, as I say, I like to compete against other DJ to see their musical skill against mine on stage and stuff like that. I'm a very entertaining guy.
Okay. So where can we find your music or, you know, to catch you in what events you're playing at?
Well, as me say, a Bronx make me another borough can take me. So if you want to find my music, you have to find Backyard TV. Because I'm the founder for DJ Bugs.
Lisa, Get-Dem.
I have an upcoming calendar coming out for 2012, which is called Get-Dem 2012. And I'm also featured on a novel called Pissed 1, 2, and 3. On 3 novels, I'm featured on that. And also, something I just added to the table, I'm also in partnership with one of my best friends for a brand called Couturier, which you'll hear going down the line from Sammi because she's a designer. Basically, what we're doing is we're manufacturing clothes. She's doing clothes handmade by herself or whatever, and we're actually going out there and getting business from worldwide, not just in New York, just basically worldwide, Canada, Jamaica, like basically hitting all continents, trying to hit all continents or whatever like that. So basically that's what I've been doing.
So Lisa, your name sounds familiar. Are you do you dance, choreograph?
Listen, Bogie. Yes, I'm a choreographer. I choreograph for Wyclef and Movado and sometimes Sarani. And yes, I was a dancer and I don't dance anymore.
Oh, wait, hold on. I could have swear I heard you on the radio. Are you a singer as well?
Listen, Bogie, Backyard TV, listen to me. Yes, I sing sometimes.
So where can we find, you know, some like the novels that you're on? When is that releasing?
Okay, well, the novel's to be released November 25th in Harlem. It's going to be within the tri-state area and then shipped other.
And you're on the cover of that, right?
I'm the cover. I'm actually the character of the book. Not me, Lisa, but my picture, myself on the cover is actually the character of the book. But I'm playing a Haitian girl, which basically she's a nanny to the guy character there, and he starts beating her up, which is called Pissed, and he ends up peeing on her, disgracing her and embarrassing her in front of her whole entire family. Okay, well, the calendar is basically it's just all me, Lisa. It's just all me for the 12 months in the year. We basically putting out the calendar because we're showing people that Jamaican females are beautiful. We're not for, you know what I mean? We don't have the plastic surgery and all kind of the unnecessary. You understand what I'm saying? Because when people look at Jamaican females, they think we have red hair and all these kind of loud stuff. You know, I'm just showing them that women back home are actually beautiful black women. They might not be gorgeous, but we are beautiful. You understand what I'm saying? And the calendar itself is awesome. Can't wait for you guys.
So are you like exposed in any way or fully clothed or?
Let me explain to you guys from now. My calendar is for men. Do you understand? But women can go and get it. Reason being, it's what do you call that? eye candy calendar. That's what men call it. It's the eye candy calendar. It's not really for females. It's mostly for my male fans, but females can go out and get it.
Fort Knox. You're a DJ, though.
See it there?
What kind of music do you sing?
You just do music, you know what I'm saying? Whatever feeling the beat give me, that's what I go put out, you know what I say? Me sing, DJ, you know what I say? We are work on this video name, Girl We Love Them. You know what I say? Go back straight back to the things we that talk about, you know what I say? Because I love a girl, them and thing. Right now, it is the number one in the UK. You know what I say? It's a compilation with various artists like D Rich, you know what I say? Chimbling, you know, and many more new breed artists. Fambo upon the compilation, Determine, and a couple more artists, you know what I say? So we just trying to put in more promotion. So, you know what I say, we can get on a bigger spread, a wider spread where people can know what going on with the new breed.
How do you feel like the industry is treating like DJs and stuff like that?
A lot of things has changed, you know what I say? Music, it get out of hand now. You know what I say? We kids them not we can't listen to the music them like that no more. If you was a family man or you live with your mother or your father or whatever, there's certain music that you know say you can't play. I try deal with the music and not deal with no curse word and them thing that people still love me, you know what I say? For the artist that I am, you know what I say? I not impersonate nobody or whatever.
If somebody wants to contact you, book you, how could they?
Right now, we have a website which is thenewbreed.com. You could go to dmbcrew1@gmail.com. You know what I'm saying? I'll call 862-438-6884.
ProphetZ, what kind of music do you sing?
Reggae, dancehall. Sometimes I dibble into the hip hop, you know.
Okay.
But for the most part, reggae and dancehall.
Okay, I seen you perform in the city. Do you have any more upcoming events coming up?
Yeah, the next upcoming event, there's a show put on by Top Mics.
Okay.
They have a show they're doing where they had like a showcase of all the top remaining finalist artists.
Yeah.
So they have something going on in Manhattan. It's in November sometime, but I can't remember the exact date right now. But you can check wellsharp.com. That's my website, and all the information is there.
Okay, I know you was giving out, you know, a couple of tapes, CDs. Is that a new album you have out or a mixtape?
Yeah, this is actually the EP right here, TVM2. It's the EP, a 5-track EP, just to give people a little intro into what I do, you know, into my art, my style, the different styles and so forth. So just to give them a little promo. So it's called TVM2, it's the EP, it's available on iTunes. And if people want to check it out, and it's available on the website, wellsharp.com.
What should we be looking forward from ProphetZ?
There's so many things to look forward to, trust me. I mean, like right now I got, I want to big up this dude named Rolo. He's a rapper from Panama.
Okay.
We have a project we're working on, a compilation album. It's called Panamaker.
Okay.
Next thing we have is the next one, working with Too Tough Sound, mixtape compilation coming out. Next single is supposed to be dropping. Money is one of the tracks off the EP. The video is supposed to be coming out very soon. And we're just really working and building up the collection, and soon you're going to hear something from ProphetZ and Darkstar Entertainment. You know what I mean? So big up the thing straight up, well sharp for sir.
Darkstar, you're a producer, though?
Yes.
Artist?
You can say that.
What exactly are you working on right now?
Well, right now I'm working on getting distribution from Def Jam. I'm building rhythms. I'm working on a couple of things with artists known like Sasha, ProphetZ, Ferreira, Kip Rich, and other artists.
Okay. So you've been working with a couple of big names, huh?
You can say a couple.
Okay. How can we find out, you know, more music from Darkstar or even people that's featured on your tracks?
Well, you can go to Facebook, facebook.com/Darkstar with 2 R's music. You know what I mean? Or you can jump on the YouTube and put Darkstar music with 2 R's.
So what kind of producer are you? Are you just like specialize in reggae, dancehall, or rap, or what is it?
I specialize in music, that's it.
You've worked with Def Jam and Rough Riders. What did you used to do for them?
I did a little internship with Def Jam. I was on the street team. Then I did PR for them. And then after that, Rough Riders had picked me up and put me in Powerhouse, which is located in Yonkers, for like about a couple of years. And then I ventured off and started doing my own thing.
So what should we be looking forward from Darkstar for the future?
You should be looking for a whole heap of rhythms, because I have a whole heap of rhythms. I'll wait for some artists with voice pan. Yes, sir.
So we're here with SashaJ. What kind of artist are you? Would you consider yourself?
I am R&B and pop, and I do some reggae here and there.
So most of your tracks, are they reggae or R&B? Because I know you have a couple of...
Yeah, I do have a couple of reggae songs, but for my CD that I have that I'm working on with Dark Star, actually, it's pretty much pop and R&B.
Okay.
Few reggae. I know you guys heard of the Delilah song. I actually did a song on that rhythm as well, and it's pretty good. So I have some stuff in the works.
Okay, so if somebody wants to contact you, how would they do that?
Well, I have my Reverb Nation. They can go on to check out my music, reverbnation.com/SashaJ. They can also contact me on Facebook, facebook.com/SashaJ Music. And I also forgot to mention, I am also, you heard Lisa mention before about couturier. I'm also the couturier model.
Okay. SashaJ, is that Jay or?
That's JAE.
Okay. Thank you. Sammi,
Yes.
you are a big designer now for couturier. Okay, how did you come up with your line now?
The style of couturier is more effortless. I mostly do dresses. Now and then we'll do some blazers and stuff like that, but we mostly do dresses and gowns, unique women's wear that's still classy and elegant, but you're guaranteed to not see anyone else in the club. Most of my garments are custom made and made to fit each woman's body.
Is your clothes expensive?
It really depends. It's for a custom made garment, it's not gonna be a $5 dress.
Yeah.
You understand? I mean, my prices start at maybe about $160 and can go up into over $1,000 depending on what type of design you want. If it has crystals, if it has sequins, anything like that.
Okay. How could somebody contact you if they want to get a customized dress?
For now, we can be reached on the fan page, which is facebook.com/couturier. or at couturier@gmail.com.
What kind of music do you do?
Well, right now I'm dealing with R&B, but I'm rooted in Jamaica, you know what I mean? So right now I'm just featuring the R&B side with a little bit of Jamaican mix to it.
Okay.
So that's basically, I'm R&B right now. I have a few projects that I want to finish up. I just got back from Atlanta and made some links over there, but now I'm definitely more motivated to do this music thing. But if you want to find out anything about me, just Facebook me, you know what I mean?
Okay, what's your Facebook name?
Facebook.com/SingerO, you know what I mean? SINGAHO, all right? So not singer, that's SINGAHO, the Jamaican.
All right, so how long have you been singing?
I would say about 15 years, but I was in high school when I was doing it. I never took it seriously, but I would say about 10 years. I would start like, all right, I'm going to look at this as probably a career and everything, but say 15 years overall.
Okay, so you're an R&B singer. Girls love R&B. Can you just do a quick freestyle?
There's a war outside everywhere I go. People I see every day, people I don't even really know. You're my constant prize. Girl, you've made me wise. That's why I say what I say, to stop those tears from falling from your eyes. We're gonna be okay. This is what I have to say to you, my boo. This is what I'm telling you, 'cause I'm oblivious to what's going on. Every time I sing you a song, girl, I'm oblivious to what's going on. Girl, I wanna see you in your thongs. Yes, I'm oblivious to what's going on. Every time I sing you a song, girl, I'm oblivious to what's going on. Girl, I wanna see you in your thongs.
Well, you guys got it first. Backyard TV. So Backyard TV, we're here with Don Juan. How you doing, sweetheart?
I'm good, and how are you?
I'm great. You're a singer, Don?
No, I'm a DJ.
Oh, you're a DJ.
I'm a reggae artist.
Okay. So how long have you been DJing? Because you look kind of young.
Like 14 years now. My first show was 1997. Right? I'm living in the U.S., so but I can also travel, so it's no problem for me to based in Jamaica also.
So what projects are you working on?
Well, right now I'm working on a single, you know what I mean, and it's called Determine. So I'm saying, yeah, so you can listen out for it anytime soon.
Okay, so what inspired you to make a song called Determine?
Because me, myself, I am determined.
Are you? Is it determined to get out the hood? Determined to make it as an artist? Determined is so wide.
Determined to get out, or determined to to make it as an artist. You know what I mean? Everything that's good.
So how could we contact you if you want to see your music?
So you could contact me at newbreed.com and Don One at YouTube or Facebook at Don One Facebook.
Okay, you guys got it first. Backyard TV. So you guys got it first. Why do men or women cheat on this edition of Backyard's TV? A little bit of trouble. Thank you for all of our special guest hosts today. ProphetZ, DJ Bugs, Lisa Get-Dem, Sammi Says, SashaJ, Dark Star. The names go on and on and on. Stay tuned for next week's edition of Backyard TV. A little bit of trouble.
Yeah, man, don't know say ProphetZ represent for Backyard TV straight up, and you don't know say me can't pass through Backyard TV and no big up me straight, so you me I get up. Saying, and more times you want to check out ProphetZ, check me out, wellsharp.com, and that me say you can't run from me love, from me face, from me smile. You feel love, make sure you feel all the while. You're no child, so don't you run away. And at that, Mr. ProphetZ straight.
Well, I don't know now Fort Knox representing, so I say from the new bid representing for Backyard TV. So I say a mad thing. Let me say this a million, I hope it's a million, you know what I say? I have my $5 ready for donate to million. So I say? I say, yo, right now me feel like me there China. In a New York City, girl greet me like Cara. But it no matter where we go in the world, the new breeder with the girl, them say them rather. Cause we look neat, girl say we sweet. Any work we get to know we have to complete. 7 days of the week, we no but wanna sheet. Cause we stamina phenomenal, you know we not do it. Girl, we love them. You don't know. Fort Knox representing for Backyard TV, mad thing.
Backyard TV, we all agree. What, Millie? We have to bless up Millie. Me don't really come for kill it. We have to bless up Millie, you see it. Anyway, we have to... Well, you want me to give them a cappella about Millie, because you know me lyrical inclined and turn yourself upside down in a split second. Anyway, me in my church I praise Jesus. I me not care if me let thief all me teapot. DJ in the church I praise Jesus. I me not care if me let thief me teapot. Me not bleach out myself, me not do it every night. No, when me dey do it, bugs have to do it right, yeah? Me lay a bend up and ball for your tribe. 4 baby mother up in the limelight. Future bright, them all the same night. Sometimes me ask God how me get this a pipe. The last place me DJ a girl catch the floor. Me dey go through the door, me lay step on me toe. Squeeze me your number and say bugs, you know. So Backyard TV, watch it, you know.
Yeah, I done one, Millie. Bless up yourself, so me say. Yeah, well, determined like I said from earlier, is no time to waste. Them tell them, the dirty people for leave we alone. Stop set it up with them for follow we go home. Them can't make me rise, me chrome, that chrome, it a go make jailhouse be me home. And me and no dog, so no feed me no bone. A father God alone, me a left from the zone. Where them inna me no inna, me have class. Them ask inna, oh you wanna know how me rising and me not going down? A car, oh Jah bless people, no one curse. Man, this year I know rest is a pay success. You know see the rest of them depressed, what a stress. Day by day, people, night by night, them a Millie!
It's a Backyard TV. Money we are pre, but you always say, we now make them stress with your singer. It's a Backyard TV. No, we're not gonna stress me out no more. No, you're not gonna stress me out no more. No, you're not gonna stress me out no more. No, oh, no. Backyard TV singer always say, Millie, we are pre. That's it.
Hi, this is your girl SashaJ. Big up Millie. Never have I had someone like you who loves me the way that you do. I wanna let you know that you have my heart. You always had it right from the start.
This is your girl Bogie. We're closing out, Millie. Backyard TV, get you next week on all the latest news, music, artists, designers, whatever it is, we got it first. Backyard TV.
Come on, Vanessa.
Come on, honey, tell me so, baby. If you want my body and you think I'm sexy, come on, pretty, let me know. If you really need me and you wanna, come on, honey, tell me so, baby. If you want my body and you think I'm sexy, come on, pretty, let me know. If you really need me and you wanna, come on, honey, tell me so,
So DJ Bugs, do you feel that money plays a part in cheating?
Yeah, it play a big role in it, 'cause money is power. And you know, if me have the power, and your husband not have it, me don't have you like that.
Money has a lot to do with cheating. It really does.